Odoo, we can use some lead generation rules in order to convert visitors of a website into leads. So we can extract information about the visitors of a website based on their IP address. So in order to create these visit to lead rules, first we have to open CRM module, and from configuration settings, there is an option visit to lead rules under lead generation. Here you can enable this visit to lead rules in order to convert visitors of website into leads. So we can perform data enrichment based on their IP address. So after enabling it, let's save the settings. And to extract details of visitors using this rule, first we need to have enough credits. So to buy credits, just click on this option and you will be directed to a page where you can find credits for lead generation. So you can find different packages, and depending on the total credit, you can see the total cost. For 500 credits, you can see it is 100. 4,000, it is 200, and for 10,000, you can see it is 2,000. So you can choose appropriate one. And after getting enough credits, you can create rules in order to generate leads. And here you can also see option to view the services. Here you can view the services like partner autocomplete service, then lead generation service. So here you can see service lead generation. So you can click on recharge to get enough credits in order to convert your website visitors to leads. Same way for partner autocomplete also, you need to have enough credits. So this is used to enrich your contact base with corporate data. Now, here you can see a menu, visit to lead rules, in order to create rule. And from the page, you can see option to provide the rule name. So suppose if you want to extract details of visitors from a country, Algeria, you can set that. Like Algeria visitors. Then here you can choose a data tracking. That is, you can either track company details or both company and their contact details. Then here you can add a website traffic conditions. So visitors of the website will be converted to leads or opportunity only after satisfying these website traffic conditions. Like as I have given the rule name as Algeria visitors, I want to set the country as Algeria. Then you can provide the website. Like if you only want to extract details of the visitors of my website, then you can choose that website. And then here you can add condition like visitors from a particular state. Then you can add the page name of the website. That is, if you only want to track a particular page of the website, you can provide the page name and you can add a sequence number. So one credit is consumed per visitor matching the website traffic conditions and whose company can be identified. So up to one additional credit are consumed if the company matches this rule. And if you want to track contacts also, then make sure that you have a GDPR complaint for storing personal data. Then here you can add the opportunity generation condition. So you can filter based on industries, right? Like here, you can choose industries that you want to track. Then you can filter based on size, that is company size. So I've already given a size like employees, companies having employees from 0 to 1,000. Then for contact filter, here you can set the number of contact that you want to extract. Then you can filter based on role, seniority. So when you choose role, either role or seniority, you have to provide that from here. Then you can find some details related to opportunity data. That is, you can generate either lead or opportunity from this rule. And then here you can provide a suffix. So this will be appended along with the generated lead or opportunity. So you can easily identify from which rule this opportunity or lead is being generated. And you can set a default sales team and salesperson for the opportunity generated from this rule. And you can provide default tags, then priority for the leads or opportunity generated using this rule. So after that, you can save this. Then if you have generated any opportunities or leads, that can be viewed from here. So right now we have 0 opportunities. So that's how we create rules, and you can make use of it to generate leads. So this is one of the technique used to generate leads, and we will discuss about the other techniques in Odoo CRM. So that's all in this video, and thanks for watching. And if you have any doubts related to this video, you can add your comments below. And if you require any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cyprocess.com.